In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to ChatGPT Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to complete the upgrade smoothly without any confusion. Start by heading to the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT interface. That's where your profile icon or initial appears. Click that profile area to open a small menu. This menu is your hub for account-related actions, and it's the quickest way to access upgrade options. If you use more than one account, take a second to confirm you're logged into the one you want to upgrade, so the subscription lands in the right place. In the Profile menu, select the option labeled Upgrade. This takes you to the Plans page. Here you'll see different subscription choices. Look for the Pro plan. It's the one designed to unlock advanced features, priority access, and generally faster performance. Take a moment to review the plan details and price so you're comfortable with what's included. You may also see billing options like monthly or annual. Choose what aligns best with your needs and budget. When you're ready, click the Upgrade button for the Pro plan. This brings up the payment screen. You'll be prompted to enter your wallet or payment details, which could include a card or a supported digital wallet. Make sure your billing information is accurate, including your address and country, so your payment processes without delays. It's a good idea to confirm you're on a secure connection before entering any payment details. Look for the lock icon in your browser's address bar and only enter information directly in the payment fields you see here. As you fill things out, double-check the total cost, the billing cycle you selected, and any taxes or fees that may apply in your region. If you have a promotional field, this is where you would apply a valid code, but it's completely optional. Keep in mind that subscriptions typically renew automatically each cycle unless you change that later in your account settings. Once everything looks correct, finalize the process by selecting Subscribe. Give it a moment to process. After the payment goes through, you should see confirmation on screen. You'll usually notice an indicator like a badge on your profile or updated plan details, confirming that Pro is active. From here, you can continue using ChatGPT as usual, now with Pro features enabled. If you ever need to review your plan or billing date, head back to the Profile area and check your subscription details there. That's it. Your upgrade to ChatGPT Pro is complete. Enjoy the enhanced experience, and thanks for watching.